Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Maya. It's an incredible day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our varsity boys tennis team will travel to play Bayside at 3 p.m.
Our girls tennis team will play Cocoa at 4 p.m.
Girls beach volleyball will play O'Galley at 4 p.m. and JV softball plays Merritt Island Christian at 5:15.
Good luck, Panthers.
Panthers, the ASVAB is Wednesday, April 24th in the auditorium from 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m.
Scan the following QR code to sign up.
Students, Panther Prep Saturday School begins this Saturday, April 13th from 8:30 to 12:30 and will run until May 18th.
Students can attend teacher-led sessions to help prepare for EOCs and state testing.
Students will also be able to use school computers to work on course recovery.
Heritage Saturday School will provide a light breakfast options and lunch. See flyer for more details.
Attention, an important message from Coach Benson. All junior varsity track athletes must turn in their uniforms to Coach Benson or Coach Trotman immediately.
Any varsity track athlete that fails to do so will be placed on the debt list. Dun, dun, dun.
Panthers, are you interested in being on the Heritage Cheer team? There will be a cheer informational parent night tonight in the cafeteria at 6 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!